fireworks night! Wow! What a fun night with my family around the backyard watching the fireworks exploding into the night sky. Boom! Bang! Crackle! The fireworks were shining bright with lots of diamonds and different colors: red, blue, yellow and orange. All I could hear was whizz, boom, whizz, and bang. I could see all the colors of the rainbow falling from the night sky. It was an exciting night with all the explosions and beautiful colors everywhere. I didn't know where to look. There were flower fireworks and fountain ones that shot sparkles and glitter into the air. It looked like the whole sky was lit up with diamonds, sparkles, glitters, and beautiful colors. It was as bright as the sun. What an amazing sight!